I am Professor Manoj G. Desai, Government Engineering College, Valsad. I am heading the Chemical Engineering Department.
I am Bhumika Patel from LE Engineering College, Murbi.
Myself Chintan K. Modi. I am from the SRICT Bataria Ankleshwar. I am from Chemical Engineering Department.
Myself Kunal Majumdar from SRICT Ankleshwar, Environmental Science and Technology Department.
I am Painter Zohar Zoibai from Government Engineering College, Murbi.
Gujarat Technological University came up with a novel idea of introducing the subject of design of engineering for short semester students. When this subject was introduced, we all faculty members are very much confused that what we will actually teach our students in this subject. But after attending a 3-day conference or 3-day workshop at Gujarat Technological University, we have already found out a solution that what actually design of engineering means and how we will teach our students this subject. For that, in first phase, we have made 4 canvases. First canvas is emphasizing canvas. Emphasizing canvas means we have to get emotionally attached with our users so that we can solve problem very much easily or can find out solutions easily. In that, we have to first define our user for which we are going to solve our problem. For that, we have to also define our stakeholders. Stakeholders are generally those persons who are directly or indirectly engaged with the users. And activities. Coming to the activities, then activities are those things which a user already do in their day-to-day life or their routine life or routine work. And after coming to a very interesting point, that is storyboarding. Storyboarding means the regular incidents which are generally happening in chemical process industries. We are talking about chemical process industries because our topic is elimination of hazard from chemical process industries. So we are talking about CPI industries. Stories are based on happy story and sad story.
Now, second is the ideation of the canvas. From that, we can identify our problem, that which are the problem that included in CPA industry. So, in ideation of the canvas, there are 4 parts. First is the people that surround the problem, which are like chemical engineering operators, which are the users and stakeholders. Now, which are their activities? Like they have to understand the engineering, what are the engineering, what is the process. So these are the other activities. Though we are going through the design of engineering subject, so we have to, we must have to know that all activities are not going to on right path. So we have to think in different way. So which are the situations that can alter the activities or that can negate the activities. So these are the different situations. From that activities can be altered. So activities like chemical accidents, power failure, from that different process can be altered. So after the difference of the situation, which are the problem that can happen, so it can be described in this portion, that these are the problems and how we can solve this problem. So they identify the problems, and these 4 are the solutions. So in this portion we have to describe the problem and some of the solutions. There's the ideation of canvas.
Third canvas is product development canvas. Okay, you have to write purpose. What is the purpose of developing particular product? Then you have to write product experience based on the previous history or based on the previous techniques which were being used. Right? Then you have to write product functions. Then you have to write product features based on the functions. Then you may add components of the particular product. You may add customer revalidation. How customer gives you feedback. Then you may suggest some redesign for your product.
Okay, dear friends, now you have seen all the canvases related to the project of the design engineering. Now you have seen we have used the sticky notes and used the canvases. So this is a presentation mode. This is slightly different. Otherwise, the making of the project, the process of creating the project is one and same. There is no difference as such. You don't get confused. What we are to do is that find out the problems and then identify the problem and then getting its solution. So it is very nice that in earlier canvases you have seen how the problem is being identified. What are the different stakeholders involved in this process? So ultimately we have come up with the safer design of their chemical process. So what we aim at is to design a safe process for chemical process industries. How we can do that? We have to identify the process and identify the solution. What is the solution? What are the probable solutions? We have listed several problems, and then we have listed several solutions. Problems are related to the hazard, pollution, and then accidents. And what are the solutions? We are providing solutions by incorporating several systems. Which systems? The solving of the process or the ease of the process by installing the instrumentation. There may be pneumatic instrumentation, there may be electric instrumentation, and there may be DCS control system. So what does these system do? They help in eliminating hazard totally. They help in curbing the pollution totally. So what we have come up with? We have come up with the standard design. What that design means? It is a safer process. What is the other benefit of this? We can incorporate the simulation and modeling of the process. For example, nowadays in small scale industry, you visualize the process which are manually handled, but it is not safer. It is not even the pollution free. So now we have the technology available with us. So what we can do? We can incorporate simulation and modeling and design the process which will have the ultimately automation of the plant. Small plants like vinyl sulfone, H acid, J acid, which are totally hazardous, can be incorporated with the automatic instrumentation and control, and we can have the total automation of the plant. So that is the benefit of the project. So please utilize your skill, utilize your knowledge, and get involved in the project. Don't get nervous that right at the third semester you are getting this project. This is just to get you into the project process, project manufacturing process. Thank you very much.